Okay, question 22. This is a trig question with a triangle. Let's see, we've got triangle ABC. It's not a right angle triangle. Okay. We've got to figure out the value of sine ABC. So ABC, which is that angle there. Okay, so that's what I need. That's my angle, and I need the sine of that angle. Okay, so what is sine ABC equals? So we've got to give our answer in the form m over n, where m and n are integers. Okay, so looking at this, it's not right angle triangle, so I'm not using SOHCAHTOA. We do have a triangles, and I've got an angle and a side combo, so angle and side combo there. And if you can see, that would pair up with this angle and that side combo. So basically, this question is trying to get you to use the sine rule. We've got sine of A over side A equals sine of B over sine little b, beside B. I'm just going to go with the letters the question's given me. There's my angle A. So 10.7 is little a. B's over there, so 6.5 is my little b, like that. Okay, let's substitute the values in. So sine of big A is 30, divided by little a, we said is 10.7, equals sine of big B, I don't know that, and that's what I want to figure out, over little b, 6.5. Okay. Right, this is a non-calculator paper, so we can't just go and get our calculator to figure out what sine of 30 is. We need to know some of these exact values. So this is where I put a little table together, and it helps me figure out my values. So let's do sine, cos, and tan here. 30, 45, and 60. So if you can remember this, it goes 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Everything's over 2, and square root where there is no 1, okay? So those are your sine and cos. If you want to finish it off, this is square root of 3 over 3, 1 square root of 3. So if you can memorize that, that's really helpful. Now, what do we need from our table? I need sine of 30. So sine of 30 is that value there. It's a half. So I'm going to substitute that in. Sine of 30 we now know is 0.5 over 10.7 equals sine of b over 6.5. Right, multiply things off across. So sine of b equals 0.5 times 6.5, and I should divide that by 10.5. Okay, it's a non-calculator paper, not a nice question, probably why it's left at the end. So let's do this on the side over here. I've got 6.5 times 5. What's that going to get me? Well, basically, it's a half of 6.5, isn't it? So that's going to get me 3.25, and that's divided by 10.7. Okay, now what did it say? M and N are integers. So at the moment, I don't have integers, do I? I've got, let me get rid of that, I don't need that anymore. I have decimal numbers. So easiest way to get rid of decimals from fractions is to multiply by lots of 10. So let's see, for the numerator, if I want to get rid of it, I need to multiply it by 100. But I can't just multiply the top, I must multiply the denominator as well. So 3.25 times 100 is 325. And 10.7 times 100 is 1070. And that's it. It just says integers. I don't need to simplify it any further. That's my answer there. Okay, so it's a sine rule question. Set it up, use your trig exact values, and then get rid of the decimals from the fractions. There you go.